We're in Cork Bay with the funniest man on earth, Nik Rabinowitz, and we're with Farida as well.
She's
Farida
the funniest woman.
is the funniest woman who sells the most amazing fish. We always like to support local. Come on down, support Farida because she sells the most amazing fresh fish on a daily basis.
Yes.
And we're here because it's a beautiful place to kind of get acquainted not only with Nik Rabinowitz, but also the all-new Audi SQ5 for 2022. It's a 3-litre V6 that offers the most incredible value for money. Starting price of 1.2, the one we have specs at 1.4 million. We're going to hop into that in a sec. But first, Farida, how long have you been selling fish here for?
For me.
How long have you been? How long, my daughter?
You're talking English to me.
Hoe lang?
Now we're getting this now in the real.
In the real world? Hoe lang verkoop jy vis hier so?
It's about more than 30 years.
30 years? But what, since you were 3?
No, man. First I was cleaning fish and
Yes.
I've got my own business now.
This is amazing. Nik can take you on a date because he says that he needs to take you on a date.
But that's skinny legs.
Well, you see my
Look at
legs,
his
Farida?
legs. Look at these legs. Flex.
Lekker bok.
Wat dink jy van daai kuite?
Huh?
I like it from behind.
Die kuite van buite.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
Good, my bro. Better than Nick.
Nick's not the only celebrity here. Celebrities from far and wide come here. Da 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 da.
That's Seal.
Da da da.
Seal.
There used to be a Graham Tower
By the way, have you seen?
on the beach? You remain the life on the dark side of me. Wow. See? Top celebrities, they come to Cape Town. Let's get in the car and go drive. Summertime, Cape Town, shorts, corkies, fish. Brand new 2020 Audi SQ5 and the funniest man, Nik Rabinowitz. Let's go for a drive. Nik Rabinowitz. First ever stand-up performance. Do you remember?
Armchair Theatre. September, it was just before September the 11th, or just after, I forget.
Okay.
Maybe just after.
And was it a success
2001.
or did you bomb?
It was a success, mainly because I was in character.
Okay. But is that when the bug actually bit and you were like, listen, I can actually do this?
Yeah.
How did you survive during the 2 years of no performances?
Luckily, I was able to do enough online stuff and 1 or 2 ads.
Yeah. Is it who do you test your material on before you take it to the stage?
I used to test it on my wife,
Yeah.
and that's not a good idea.
I think it's the best idea. I use like if I'm going to do something,
Does
she's
she
a great.
laugh at stuff?
No, but she's honest about stuff, and you see that's the thing I appreciate.
Well, that is good. But it's for comedy, you want a little bit of a confidence boost, like.
Yeah, you want like, yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Do you find that people always want you to make them laugh? Like when they see you and they notice you, like, Nik, come on, Nik, tell us a joke. Nik, make us laugh. And you're like, I'm just trying to do my shopping at Woolies.
They don't often say that, but they maybe are thinking that, or they have that expectation. I don't know if it's a combination of disappointment, but also maybe, oh, he was just normal.
He was actually just a normal guy.
So maybe it's a combination of disappointment and relief, which reminds me of the time Ben did the number 2 next to the pool and the dog ate it immediately. And I was pissed off he did it, but relieved.
Yeah.
I didn't have to clean that.
Clean up Ben's Nick's son, by the way.
He's now, well, he was 21 at the time.
The dog or Ben?
That's funny.
I noticed, I mean, look, you've had a couple of like really cool cars. I'm a car guy. So when I see you in something...
Well, if you count my 1976 VW that had rust, you could see the
ground.
The ground,
through the floor.
Through that. And through the dog box. Remember the dog box?
Yeah,
the engine, the fumes from the engine
smell the petrol from the petrol,
rusted,
Yeah,
and also the accelerator would stick. So you'd arrive at a robot like this. And you would have to, let me think now, you'd have to apply, with your left foot, apply clutch and
control.
brake at the same time. And then kick the accelerator.
Just to release it.
Yeah.
Great noise those old VWs make. Now you drive a Mini.
Yeah, I've driven a Mini for 11 years.
It's a nice car. It still looks pretty decent. It still looks like a modern Mini, you know what I mean?
I love
Countryman.
I like it.
Yeah. What do you think of Audi's SQ5?
Actually, my friend Tony tried to flog me his Q3.
All right.
When he thought he didn't realize he was driving a soccer mom's car.
Yeah.
And he was insistent I buy it a week before lockdown.
Okay.
Before he left for Spain.
Right.
And I said no.
You said no. Yeah.
No, I don't want your Q3.
Yeah.
I have to say it feels quite gangster.
I don't know.
Does it feel gangster?
It just feels nice. It's got a nice drive. You feel like you're in charge.
I feel like a gangster's moved to the suburbs.
Yeah. The southern suburbs gangster.
Yeah.
You know this thing, what I love about Audi, okay, because I'm a massive Audi fan even though I don't drive one. I've owned one in the past. And what I love about them is they're German made. So they kind of do what they go about their business like fuss free, right? And just when you need to, just when somebody pisses you off in traffic and you want to go around them very quickly, the second you put your foot down on the accelerator, they yach.
Really?
It goes, yeah.
That's
We'll
nice.
see when we get a little gap in the traffic and you can put your foot down a little bit and you can just feel that sense of it wants to.
Oh, there we go.
It wants to leave everything behind. All right, so let's talk now a little bit about life outside of comedy. What are the other interests? I know you're a phenomenal cricketer because I've played with cricket with you before.
Look, phenomenal is a stretch, right?
I'm trying to.
I mean,
you just won a tournament
if you're
this
playing
past
against
weekend.
another radio station and you win the tournament, then that is phenomenal.
But you had to beat other opposition as well, not just the radio station.
It is very competitive, and particularly against ETV. I don't know if you remember.
Yeah, Gershon Gutierrez. He's a great guy, great cricketer by the way.
Great cricketer. Luckily, he also pulled his hamstring.
Oh,
just
you're
before
so lucky.
we played them.
Oh,
that's my favorite bakery down there.
what's it called?
C'est la vie.
C'est la vie. You come out
next
this
to
way
Rob
a lot.
Rob van Vuuren's flat.
You know everybody here. And
I
you've
like
just
this
given
part
away
of
Rob van
the-
Vuuren's address
The world.
to everyone watching
That's
on
his
Car
local,
Magazine
his
and Cape
local
Town,
coffee
etc.
shop. You can find him there.
They all know that Rob lives there now.
And then I started in lockdown.
Snorkeling.
We started snorkeling, and so now I go down to Cape Point quite a lot. And then the octopus teacher came out.
Did you meet the guy?
I know Craig from many years ago. We shot some stuff. Well, I helped him with locations for a film.
Have you held his Oscar?
Is that a reference to his penis? Or
No,
actual-
he won an Oscar.
Yeah, no, I haven't.
Unless that's what he calls his appendage, Oscar. Unless he goes, this is my Oscar.
That was an incredible
That was an incredible movie. It deserved everything.
and slightly disconcerting relationship between a man and
an octopus. Well, what does 2022 have in store for Nik Rabinowitz?
You know, it's still a very uncertain time for
Comedy,
this
for
industry.
anything. Yeah.
Comedy, like booking a theatre is still problematic. You can play to 50% or 30% capacity, which I don't really enjoy doing comedy in that kind of way. So it's still quite uncertain, but as we've learned over the last 2 years, we sort of have a level of comfort with uncertainty now. People are like, sure, whatever.
I see a animated comedy show for you.
But animated, so
yeah,
you're
animated.
saying...
So we've got this like Nick, who's animated.
Interesting. Family,
Family life, how are the kids, how's the wife, how's everybody, good?
Everybody is good. So we've got a 12, a 9, and a 5-year-old.
Exactly.
The 5-year-old is the only girl.
Yeah.
Sophie.
And is she daddy's girl? Is she a daddy's girl?
Yeah, she is. There's a nice Yiddish word for how she is.
Uh-huh.
She's a balabosta.
Oh, it sounds nice.
A balabosta is like in charge. She is out there.
It's too sweet, man.
It's good. It's good. It's good times. It's challenging times, as you know. Small kids.
Mm-hmm.
But
It's expensive times.
Fucking expensive times.
Damn it, school fees are
Add
crazy.
up all those extra murals.
But hang on a second.
There's Accra,
You
and there's
always
chess,
get a
and
good
there's
deal.
Extra Afrikaans.
But you get a good deal if you go and you do 1 or 2 shows for the school in the year.
You would think.
Hey,
You would think.
they want that for free.
Yeah.
I'd bill them, unless they're getting a good deal. Someone taking up parking space? No, they haven't. Nick, this is amazing. It's so lekker spending time with you in a car. Wish I could play with you this past weekend. We're back at Farida's. And listen, before we go though, we're going to park here. I'm going to take a walk and we're going to have a little... You said I must bring my bather. What for?
Yeah, we're going snorkeling. The visibility is unbelievable.
I didn't bring my bather. Can I go naked in the pool?
I'll have to take you to the other side of the mountain for that.
Crafts pool's no longer there.
Sandy Bay?
No, let's just hop in the thing. What's the worst that can happen? Get arrested.
You could get bitten by a tilapia.
Well, that sounds fun. On my chalobia.
On your Oscar.
Let's hop in the pool. Let's find out what this cork base. rock pool's all about. Thanks, Nick.
Yeah.
I feel 10 years younger, but I don't feel 10 k's lighter. Salam for your body. I'm cancelled. I love it. This is so cool. Thanks, Nick. Thanks, Ryan.